Hi everyone. Today we will understand how to install IntelliJ IDEA IDE 2021. So we have an IDE here. You can download this IDE. So just open the browser. So just here you mention IntelliJ IDE. Just here you can mention IntelliJ. So you can go directly community edition like that. So mention IntelliJ IDE. So automatically it will take you through that particular website. So go here directly, you can go there, or we have so yeah, jetbrains.com, you can go there directly. So here you can able to see IntelliJ IDEA ID is there. So click on this. 2021 is there. You can click on this particular one. So if you want any, see, lot of programs we can able to do with this particular ID. So install IntelliJ IDE. Okay, you can go here. Otherwise, get the IntelliJ IDE. So here you can go here. See, basically some of the requirements. Let's go back. Okay, we'll see this one. Requirements, system requirements are very, very important. At least you must have 2 GB of RAM. So recommended is 8 GB. Again, CPU, any modern CPU like multi-core, octa-core, whatever it may be. So i5 or i7 or i9, you can able to use it. i3 also you can able to use it. No problem here. Disk space minimum it will take 2.5 GB to 1 GB for cache memory. So at least you have to have in C at least 5 GB empty space. Resolution, common resolution 1024 pixels, 768. Operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, all those operating systems. So in any of this operating system, we can able to install. So this is 64-bit version I'm installing. That is IntelliJ IDE 2021. Okay, so using toolbox we can able to do. So Windows you can download and you can able to do that one. So this is also working, no problem. Toolbox also, using toolbox we can able to do it. So web page, from there installer is there, we can able to download that way. But just I will go to, I will get this ID, so I can download this one directly and I can able to see we got this page. Again directly you can able to download the community edition. Just click on this, automatically it will take you to download page. So it says that thank you for downloading. So save it. Already I downloaded it. I downloaded this one. No need to worry. Just cancel this one. Again, I will close this because I already have a IDE downloaded here. So just double click on this. So it will, you can able to see it start installing. So it takes some time. Just wait. Done. Now, so using IntelliJ IDE, we can able to write programs, Java, Groovy, and Kotlin. All those programs we can able to do. Basically nowadays, Kotlin is a very, very good programming language for Android developers, all those things. So that's fine. So it's very good. Yes, say yes. So automatically it will start extracting the files. Say next here. Again, default location it will going to take C. That's why it will take around at least 1.72 GB. It is required. Okay, at least 2 GB. Space available is 237.9 GB. Basically, it will take 1.7 GB. So just say next. Again, yeah. So I'm installing Community Edition. That's why what I will do, I will write Java programs as well as Kotlin programs. That's why I will click on this. Again, I had the open folder as a project here. Again, select the folder, this one. So if you want any desktop icon, you can create the desktop icon here. So just next. So click all these areas which are required for you. Okay. So when you select this file, you can able to restart later also, no problem. Just select next, install. That's it. Already because updated. Okay, no problem. It will take it, not a problem. So it takes some time. Wait for some time till it is going on. So it takes some more time. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now you can see it is finished. I will going to reboot later. Okay, just finish this one. You can see the shortcut. We got this shortcut here. Let's see. So now I will going to double click on this. So this is a new 2021 IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So here we will see further. We're going to make some settings over here. So I don't want to import any settings. Just I will say okay. So if any settings is available, you can import from here. But I don't want to import anything. Just cancel it. Just do not import anything. Just okay. Say okay. So it will take to your interface ID window. It will take you to window. So it takes some time. So it started now. Now you can see it is finished. Just saying that welcome to IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So it's done. Now you can able to see project, all those things. So you can create a new project here. So create new project, go new. Select new project. It takes some time. You must be patient. So select, if you want, you can able to select the project Java, and if you want, you can able to select the Kotlin here. Just I will going to select the Java here. So automatically it will take the JDK. So whichever you want it, if you want, you can able to download the JDK 15, 16, and 11, 12, 13. All those, so many JDKs are there. You can able to download 8, all those things. Already I have a default 11 LTS version. So it will, I will want to select that one. Again, place next. Okay, next. Again, so not required. I will not want to create any template here. Just I will want to put the title of the product saying that demo project. Again, so it's a project. What I will do, I will going to change path over here. So I will have a path. So in F drive, so here I will going to place C until J. So I will place this one until J. So this is better. I will going to place here. Say okay, done. So whatever the programs you will going to write, it will be stored in that particular folder. Okay, say yes, that's it. Yeah, I will want to override this one. That's it. So now you can able to see. So we got it. Everything is done very clean, very nicely. So go to file now. Go to file now. Close this one, not required. So basically already we have a project, demo project. So here we have SRC. So here we have a packages, all those things. Anyway, we have a main function. So here, double click on this. Okay, so you can able to see we have a main function. How you want it, you like that, you adjust it. Oh, not required, all those things. Okay, so this is, you can able to see package.com dot company, and we have a main class. Okay, so main function is there here, main method. So class is main class here. You can able to see main class is there. Again, we can able to see main method, enter point of the Java programming. So finally allow what is it? Just you run this like this. Okay, right click, and run it. That's it. Otherwise, if you're not able to find anything over here, just go here, run. That's it. Run this. It takes some time. So because it's very heavy, actually. So that's why it takes some time. I'll show you. Now you can able to see. So we are getting allow word. So this is how you can able to configure and you can able to run the program. So this is all about how to install the IntelliJ IDE 2021. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.